We have some of the oldest hotels here in this section. For example, the one coming Hotel Le Dome. This is one of the old one and a very nice hotel. Opposite you can see Crown Plaza, and then Sheraton Hotel is in front. 前面这张高高的，这个是喜来登。所有的5星级都是在这里的了。喜来登对面就是希尔顿了 ，Hilton。Okay, today is Saturday night fever, right? So in the city center, you will see again it's going to be very crowded because of weekend, because of the beer, because of